Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Nike One Strong Nail Glue. The Nike One Super Strong Nail Glue is an excellent choice for anyone looking to secure press-on nails, acrylics, or nail tips with long-lasting, salon-quality results. Packaged in an 8 ml bottle with a brush-on applicator, this glue is easy to use, reliable, and delivers impressive hold for various nail applications. As the name suggests, this glue lives up to its reputation for strength. Whether you're using it for acrylic nails, press-on, or nail tips, the Nike One Super Strong Nail Glue provides a solid, long-lasting bond that can withstand daily activities without the worry of lifting or breaking. The brush applicator is a standout feature. It makes applying the glue evenly and precisely much easier compared to squeeze tubes. This brush-on design ensures a mess-free application, allowing for better control and less glue wastage. One of the most convenient aspects of this nail glue is its quick-drying formula. It sets rapidly, saving time whether you're in a rush or simply want a hassle-free experience. Despite the fast drying time, the glue remains flexible enough to allow for slight adjustments if needed before it completely sets. The Nike One Nail Glue works on a variety of nail types, from acrylics to gel extensions and even basic press-on. Its strong bonding capability makes it suitable for both professional nail technicians and at-home manicures, providing salon-quality results at home. Our second best glue for stick-on nails is KDS Nail Tip Glue. The KDS Nail Tip Glue is a popular choice for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable adhesive for acrylic nails, nail tips, or even basic press-on. Each tube contains 0.07 ounces of glue, which is a compact size that's perfect for both professional nail techs and at-home users. This glue lives up to its name with its super strong bond. Whether you're applying acrylics, nail tips, or press-on, the KDS Nail Tip Glue provides a solid and durable hold that can last for days without lifting or breaking. It's strong enough for daily wear, ensuring your nails stay intact through regular activities. The quick drying formula is one of the highlights of this product. Once applied, it dries in just seconds, making the nail application process smooth and efficient. This feature is especially handy for anyone who's in a hurry or for professionals looking to speed up their service time. At 0.07 ounces per tube, this glue comes in small, single-use packaging, which makes it convenient to carry or store. These individual tubes are perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or travel. Plus, the size prevents waste, as the glue doesn't dry out between uses like larger bottles sometimes do. It's budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, making it a great option for anyone looking for an effective adhesive at a lower price point. This glue often comes in packs of multiple tubes, offering great value for frequent users. Third pick in our list is Macart Strong Nail Glue. The Macart Super Strong Nail Glue is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, long-lasting adhesive for press-on nails, acrylic tips, or false nails. Its easy brush-on application, salon-quality strength, and versatile use make it a standout product in the world of nail glues. While it requires a bit of care during removal and application, the strong hold and extended wear time more than make up for it. This glue offers a durable, long-lasting bond. Whether you're applying acrylic nail tips or press-on, the Macart Super Strong Nail Glue ensures that your nails stay firmly in place for extended wear. This adhesive is perfect for those who want their manicure to last for days or even weeks without lifting or popping off. The brush-on applicator is one of the glue's key highlights. It allows for precise application, making it easier to control the amount of glue you use. The brush-on design minimizes mess and prevents the excess glue that can sometimes spill onto your skin or nail surfaces, leading to a cleaner, neater manicure. This glue is salon quality, providing the same strong hold that professional nail techs use. It's durable enough to handle daily wear and tear, making it a great option for people who need their nails to withstand activities like typing, washing dishes, or even more hands-on tasks. Number 4 in our side is Kiss Power Flex Nail Glue. The Kiss Power Flex Maximum Speed Nail Glue is a reliable and fast-acting adhesive designed to provide a strong and flexible hold for press-on nails, acrylics, and other nail enhancements. With its super strength flex formula, this nail glue promises durability while maintaining a comfortable feel. The Power Flex formula sets incredibly fast. The glue bonds nails in seconds, making it perfect for those who want to complete their manicures quickly without waiting for long drying times. This is especially handy if you're in a hurry or need a quick touch-up. One of the standout features of this nail glue is its flexible yet strong hold. The formula allows for natural movement of the nails without compromising the strength of the bond. It adapts well to the natural bend of your nails, reducing the risk of cracks or breaks, even during daily wear. The 3 grams bottle is compact, making it easy to store or carry in a purse or nail kit. The twist-off cap and nozzle tip squeeze applicator make application simple and precise. The design ensures you get the right amount of glue every time without unnecessary mess or waste. This glue is very affordable, offering strong results at a low price point. For those who regularly wear press-on nails or acrylics, the value is excellent, making it a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance. Number 5 in our top 5 best glue for stick-on nails list is Model 1's Nail Glue. The Model 1's 9-in-1 Nail Glue Gel Nail Prep Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their nail game with professional quality products. Its comprehensive nature and strong adhesion make it suitable for various applications, and the results are consistently impressive when properly cured. The 9-in-1 kit includes a variety of essential products: nail glue gel, nail prep dehydrator, base gel, bloom gel, and adhesive bond. This makes it a convenient choice for those looking to have a full set of tools at their disposal without needing to purchase individual items. The nail glue gel offers a strong and durable bond, ensuring that your nail tips and acrylics stay securely in place for an extended period. This strength is particularly beneficial for those who want to avoid frequent touch-ups or repairs. The kit is designed for easy application, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The consistency of the products is manageable, allowing for smooth application without excessive mess. The included instructions are clear, guiding users through each step for best results. This kit is ideal for a variety of nail applications, including false nail tips, acrylics, and gel nails. It also allows for creative techniques, such as blooming effects with the bloom gel, making it suitable for nail art enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.